Is there anybody out there? I think I need a lifeline. I've been drifting through the darkness, looking for the sunrise. Sometimes it feels like we're so far away, trying to keep our heads above the waves. Are we gonna sink like Titanic? Our problems feel gigantic, like falling apart into a cold, cold ocean. Are we gonna run like we're strangers at the first sight of danger? I'll still be hanging on, just tell me we're not going under. Filling up with water, breaking into pieces, losing what we wanted, finding what we needed. If we learn to weather this storm, we'll be stronger than before. Are we gonna sink like Titanic? Our problems feel gigantic, like falling apart into a cold, cold ocean. Are we gonna run like we're strangers at the first sight of danger? I'll still be hanging on, just tell me we're not going under. Before it's too late and we've sealed our fate, just tell me we're gonna be okay. Are we gonna sink like Titanic? Our problems feel gigantic, like falling apart into a cold ocean. Are we gonna run like we're strangers at the first sign of danger? I'll still be hanging on, just tell me we're not going under. Going under. Just tell me we're not going under.
I have fallen further than I had before, but now I'm crawling, and I don't have the strength to get up off that floor. I'm giving into it, I'm living in it, embracing all the pain. Can't run from it, I can't numb it, I won't medicate. I'm still learning and growing. I am not who I was before. I'm done hiding from all my failures. Wait and see my masterpiece. Bruised and torn, all my broken parts falling like they collide, all to take me where I'm meant to be. So I thank my lucky scars. I thank my lucky scars. living. Wanna give it all, not simply survive.